What's up, my guys? So, I've been procrastinating to say the least. It's almost Christmas and I barely decorated. So, if you're like me, procrastinating, come with me and let's decorate our spaces. I will also be reviewing a cute Christmas tree. Let me say this again. I will be reviewing an affordable Christmas tree. Okay, so this is what we're working with. We've got some garlands, a wreath, some red burgundy flowers, some of the cranberry stems. I actually wanted the dangling cranberry stems, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So, yeah, I had to work with what I had. I have this old wreath from like 2 years ago from Walmart, and then a few bells that are also from Walmart. Let's start by decorating this console table, and it's looking kind of sad, so let's spruce it up with some garland. This is the My Texas Home, I believe it's from Walmart. It's $30. I think it's a great deal. I saw some similar ones in Home Goods and they were around $100. And to make these candles a little bit more interesting, I added some ribbon on here. This is from Amazon. The color is perfection, let me tell you. If you like a deep burgundy, this is it. I'll link it down below. Just setting a little battery operated candle, and on this side I actually don't know what I want to add on there yet. So let's go ahead and put a little bit something more holiday-ish over these frames here. And right on top of the TV, I'm going to be putting this wreath. It's from Walmart. If you get this, don't put it in direct sunlight or it will melt. I found that the hard way. I put it on my front door and it started melting, and I was really sad because it's actually pretty cute and pretty affordable, but yeah, just keep it out of the sun. On this arch, let's add a garland to it and maybe a wreath on top. And these are pre-lit. They are from Lowe's from last year. They were $25 each. I usually like to do my Christmas decor shopping towards the end or very near Christmas because, well, the good deals are all there. So let's fluff it up. Okay, let's talk about trees. I know it's kind of late in December, but if you still don't have a tree and you still want one, or you want one for next year, I'm telling you, this is the one to get. It has the PCE and the PE branches, which are the ones that look more realistic, and then towards the inside of the tree, it has the PE branches, I believe. So it looks super, super good. This one is the 9-foot tree, and it was $239 on Amazon, which I think is a great price compared to a lot of the other popular trees this year. It does not have a power foot switch. I don't know what it's called exactly, but I do know that you can add those later, and I think they're only like $10. Also, next year I'll be adding the twinkling lights, the $3 ones from Target. They were out this year by the time I made it over there, but I think other than that, it is perfection. Alright guys, I'll let you see the reveal. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. See you next time.